Yakutian jumps. Athlete performs continuous jumps of different types with a run-up, 3 jumps on one leg, kili, 3 alternating jumps from one leg to the other, istanga. In the third jump, a mandatory landing on both feet is required, 3 jumps on 2 legs, kubak. If they perform an extra jump or fewer than 9, the jump is not counted. Each participant is given 3 attempts. The winner is the participant who achieves the best result based on the sum of 3 attempts. If in the competition 2 or more participants achieve the same results, their rankings are determined by the best result from all other jumps. These competitions involve men up to 90 kilograms and women up to 75 kilograms. Men weighing up to 125 kilograms perform 7 continuous jumps on both legs, kubak. The winner is the participant with the best result based on the sum of 3 attempts. Yakutian rope. 2 participants take a 6-meter rope by its ends, which are attached to round sticks measuring 30 centimeters in length and 2.5 centimeters in diameter. Upon the referee's signal, they start winding the rope onto the sticks, aiming to reach the midpoint mark located at a distance of 3 meters from the sticks. The winner in the pair is the one who wins the rope to the central mark faster. Yakutian spinning. The participant takes a wooden stick 25 centimeters in height with one hand and places it into an attachment on the floor. With the other hand, they grip the stick higher up, at an arbitrary distance. Without changing the initial grip, and while bending at the back and crossing their legs, the participant must complete a full rotation around their body's axis. A full rotation is counted upon returning to the starting position. 1 attempt is given for performing the exercise, with a time limit of 2 minutes. The winner is the participant who completes the most rotations. In case of a tie in the number of rotations, the advantage is given to the participant with a lower draw number. The judge must stop the exercise if the time limit is reached or if the participant changes the initial grip, touches the ground or floor with body parts other than the soles of the feet and hair, detaches the stick from the attachment, releases hands from the stick. Watering from an ice hole. The athlete takes hold of their left ear with their right hand and grabs the tip of their right foot with their left hand, attempting to pick up, using their teeth, 3 vessels called kitia which are placed on the floor one by one. Each participant is allowed 1 attempt per vessel. After each successful attempt, a kitia of lesser height is placed for the athlete to pick up. The heights of the vessels are 15, 10, and 5 centimeters. The time taken to complete the exercise in each attempt and the number of successful kitia pickups are recorded. The winner is determined based on the sum of vessel pickups with the least amount of time taken. Jogging with a sandbag. The athlete starts with a sack and runs a certain distance against the clock. During the race, they must place the weight on an elevation at the halfway point and return to the finish line without it. The winner is the participant who completes their distance in the shortest time.